Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Alert in Thunkable. Open your project, add an alert component, and place a button to trigger it using a Show Alert block with a message. Name the alert logically, set title and message text, and test on a device or emulator. Use Confirm alerts to capture yes or no choices and customize buttons for actions. Keep messages short and actionable for best results. Start by dragging an alert component into the screen and giving it a descriptive name. Configure title, message, and button labels directly in Properties or leave blank to set via blocks. In the Blocks editor, use Show Alert with text or variables to present dynamic content like totals or usernames. Test different message lengths and button configurations to ensure readability on various devices and to avoid truncation on narrow screens. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can truly change how you think about money, and it's a top pick for anyone building financial apps or learning budgeting logic. I find its clear ideas useful when planning in-app purchases or savings features. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When you need user confirmation, wire the alert response block to branches that check which button was tapped. Map positive actions to a function that performs the task, and map negative or cancel responses to safe fallbacks. For destructive actions, show a second confirm alert or require explicit input. Provide immediate feedback after the response, such as a toast or updated UI, so users know the result of their choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.